Welcome to Unit 44 in the happening Arrowhead Ranch 55 plus community. This community offers indoor pool, spa, overflow, RV parking, motorhome, and activities for the residents. The home here at Unit 44 in the Arrowhead Ranch community has 2 large bedrooms and a den, 2 workshops, a covered patio, and a 1-car garage. Come on and check it out. So what do you think? This community is in Fort Mojave, Arizona, centrally located, close to shopping, grocery shopping, hospitals, and so much more. This is Angela Bush, U.S. Southwest Real Estate, the Good Vibes Realtor. You can reach me at 714-476-7271.